Here's a quick demo of how to use the Studyclix exam builder. We just simply select exam builder, pick a topic, then select add questions. You can select a topic or subtopic of your choosing. Let's say membrane structure and transport. Select some questions and just press add it to exam. Studyclix also includes the Northern Hemisphere exams. If you'd like another subtopic, just click the heading again, make your selection. This one, and once you're done, select Save and Preview. Give it a title and save. From there you could download what you've created, and you can download this and present it to your students. And then later on, once students have submitted their work, you might like to also share with them the exam report. Or you can just use this to mark it independently. So that's how to use the Studyclix exam builder.